The ultimate truth to those little bumps on the back of your arms, can be on your ass, can be on your legs, mainly arms. Chicken skin, gross. I like to think of them as like strawberry pimples. Think of them as strawberry. Ultimate truth. I have seen quite a few YouTube videos and Facebook videos about this. This one, its whole point, quick, upfront, get to it. What you're gonna do with KP. Keratosis Pilaris is its real name. Okay. Crucial, pretty much nothing you can do as a full solution, nothing guaranteed, not ideal. Get over it, go, done, that's it. It's when you get an excess buildup of keratin, it kind of bundles up around the bottom of the hair, you get that annoying little bump, nothing's wrong with you, nothing bad is going to happen, they're just annoying and they look bad. So, no real solution, don't buy any product because someone says it's going to do it, it's not, they often just disappear. In the meantime, these are the things you need to do. This is our organic how to get rid of KP, chicken skin, strawberryness. 1, cooler showers. You need cooler water on your body because hot water can affect the kind of sebum and secretion layers on your skin and make it worse. So don't over shower in hot. Get rid of your normal mainstream shower gels. You need ideally an organic certified one, a gentle soap. You don't want lots of surfactants, you don't want lots of ingredients that you don't understand. Buy an organic body wash. So that is what you're going to do when you're washing. It gets worse with dry skin. So anytime the world gets drier, often winter, not always, but often winter, so a humidifier for your house. Like, that is a really good key step to helping your skin in all senses. So humidifier in your house is next up. Drink loads of water. Basic, but 101, drink loads of water. It will help everything in your body and skin. So drink loads of water. Exfoliation. This is an interesting one. Everyone says exfoliate. Yes, do exfoliate. Actually, clarisonic, your facial brushes might not be a bad idea on the areas. What you have to gauge is exfoliating enough to try and break down some of the dead skin cells and the gluey bit, the desomes that like lock those cells together, but not doing so much that you then irritate and they get worse. So frequent, mild-ish exfoliations, perhaps try your clarisonic or a body brush or a flannel or a muslin cloth on there as well, or a really nice exfoliator like in Pink's Boutique. We've made a rose hip exfoliator scrub, which is purposely meant for unhappy, damaged skin where you want to scrub but it needs to be a bit more gentle. So yes, some exfoliation, no, not crazy exfoliation. As soon as you finish that, when you get out of the shower, when you've done your exfoliating, just pat them loosely dry, leave some water on the skin and pop over your moisturisers. You want to trap the water with your moisturisers. So make sure, in our world, we're doing this organically. You need an organic certified moisturiser, body balm, body lotion. We have a rose geranium body lotion, which is awesome because the ingredients within it, the rose, the aloe, is also really good if they itch. Sometimes they're a bit itchy and irritated, so you want to pick a moisturiser that will also help with that itching side. Last up on the list, when you watch other videos about this, they will talk all the time about acids. Urea, salicylic acid. Yes, the theory is sound. So what those acids are meant to do is break down the glue that holds all the skin cells together. And the problem is all the skin cells are bundling up around the hair, getting locked there. The acids will break them down. Acids are tricky in the organic world. It's not always easy to get them through certification. There are some things like our Proverb Male Moisturiser has salicylic acid, so you could look out for one, but a lot of the brands, when they make acids in moisturisers and body washes, their whole aim is to make it all about breaking down and getting rid of oil and getting rid of sebum. And then they become slightly harsher products where, as for me, I really think you want to take it on a slightly more gentle route. Fundamentally, these little bumps on your arms, we've said they're not going anywhere very fast. There is no magic cure, and you have to do all of it. Like, there is no one thing, no one bottle that is going to make it disappear. Try all of these things, give it a go, pick the organic versions, and see what happens. YouTube, I want to know, do you have them? Do you hate them? You're not bothered about this, like, chicken, strawberry flavoured skin? Have you found any really good natural organic alternatives? They're what we're after. I don't want to do it the same as everyone else. This is for the natural organic bunnies amongst you, the people that really want to do it differently. And subscribe, and please put comments, because these are sharing platforms. That's the whole point of this. We want to help each other and make sure that we are not walking around with vests like strawberries. Let's do this. Let's see what we can pull together from each other. Please put some comments and thumbs up. Any comments down there. Subscribe, thumbs up, all that jazz in these chickeny strawberry arms, and I will see you soon.